Hi, welcome back. Here in this Kali Linux, let's go first learn something about this Kali Linux, okay? Some command, okay, that we are going to use through the course and very common. These are very common that we are going to use it a lot, so you need to learn them. Okay, first I have to tell you that in Kali Linux we have two kind of user, okay? Right now we have a normal user and we have a super user. A normal user is only able to read some of file, edit some of the file, but not all the files. That the super user is able to edit, delete, and do everything with the system. So right now, I am a normal user. If I want to be a super user, in Windows we call it administrator, I use this command, okay? Sudo su and then hit enter. Right here, maybe it will ask for password. If it asks, so you write Kali, okay? That is the password for this Kali mission right now. And right now you see that I am root, that means I am the super user, okay? If I want to exit, I use exit command. Now if I use clear, so it will clear that terminal. So there is another command we're going to use that is called pwd. pwd is a command that shows the current directory, your location right now, where you located, in which directory, it will show you that. So right now you see I am located in home, then Kali, and if I use pwd, so it show me this one. And there is another command called ls. ls stands for list, I think, okay? And if you use it, it will list all directory that is located where you located, okay? So in your location. And you can use at some other places. For example, you located in home directory and you want to see what is inside document. Again, you can use it very easy like this ls home, and you see we are inside home, we have Kali. And if I use Kali and then for example desktop, okay, and hit enter, you see we have nothing on desktop right now, okay? So it is how we can use ls. There is another command that is called cd. cd stands for change directory, okay? For example, I'm trying to go to document folder, okay, so I use cd document and hit enter. ls, here is nothing, you see my location, it is document. If I use pwd, which is showing my location right now, current location, it is into document folder. If I go back, so I use cd and then 2 dot, okay, and now I am back where I was. There is another command which is very important, that is called man, okay? This man command will show you all information about other command that you want. For example, I want to use okay, ls, that is here. I'm going to see all information about ls. I don't know how to use it, for example, so I use man ls, and then it will give me information that how can I use. You see here we first use ls and then add an option here, and then name of the file or location of the file. You see we can use a or all. It says do not ignore enter starting with a, author, b, flag size, c, we have if, g, g, h, si, and a lot of things here. We have l here, use a long listing format, okay? And okay, here's a lot of things that you can read if you need it, okay? And if you're somewhere, okay, about some command, so you can use it. So now I hit q and then it quit that. So it was it, okay? And also another important information is how we can install something like some application into Kali Linux. We can use apt get, then install name of the application like Terminator. Terminator is not an application right now, okay? Now if I hit enter, it must install it, okay? But right now you see that it is telling me that permission denied. That is because I'm not the super user and I'm not allowed to install any application to Kali Linux. Okay, so I have to be super user. How can I be super user? So I use sudo and then this command, or sudo su, hit enter. Now I use apt get install, for example, update or terminator, or let's say apt get update. I want to update this. Okay, so now it will start updating this. Okay, so you need to have network connection while you're updating and while you're installing some application or something in it. Okay, so it was how you can use some basic command. Okay, and if you're trying to follow the Linux course, uh, it is not going to be a Linux course. Okay, it is a Python course, so we are going to learn this simple steps, simple commands, because we need it. Okay, and maybe in the future the full package for Linux, Kali Linux penetration testing with Kali Linux will come. I will record it, okay? And if not, so it's okay. Right now it is enough, and we will learn a lot of things through the course. And let's go for the next lecture.